Are you currently wondering how you can make money online? Something that is really easy, doesn't take a long time to do, and some of it is even automated by using some free apps? Well, put that laptop down for a second and listen up. You can use your laptop, you can use your desktop, you might even be able to use a cell phone. And the cool thing about it is that I know there's a lot of things going on with Bitcoin and things look really up and up, but sometimes it can be confusing for people. And most of all, you want something that is free and easy to use. With the whole idea of going on that wonderful vacation you've always dreamed of, wouldn't it be great that you can have enough money to go wherever you want, however you want, spend as much money as you want, and have that freedom? Just take a few seconds here and think about your goals in life. What do you need to do to accomplish going on these European vacations? Or maybe even going to that wonderful place that you've always wanted to go, and that is called the beach. How about a nice beach vacation on an island in Saint somewhere? Would you agree? If you said yes to all of those questions I asked, then strap in and learn how you can make money online now.
But before we begin, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can get notified when I put up a new video. And would you also please click that like button down below? I would appreciate it. So now let's jump into the video.
We're going to be using a website, actually several websites. So I want you to stay with me to the end. Do not skip ahead, or otherwise you might miss something, and it's like missing a step as you're going down the stairs and you fall down and you crack your head open. We don't want that. So I want you to not skip ahead, just go step by step with me. There are several different websites that we need to open up. And there's one website that I don't want to open up right now because it has a bunch of my own personal stuff on there, and I don't want that seen. But I'm sure you've heard of it. It's called Google Docs. So if you are not part of Google and you don't have an account, you need to get an account with Google and then open up Google Docs. It's very similar to Word, so it is a word processor. So basically how this works is the following. What you want to do is go over to shrinkme.io, and if you don't have an account with them, there is a link down below in the description. I want you to go ahead and click on that now and get an account going with them. You'll receive a $1 bonus if you do. So you're not out of anything. You're gaining something. You're gaining $1. Woohoo! All right, so how this works is it's a link shortener. So you take these big, long, ugly looking links and you shorten them down, and when someone clicks on it, you get paid. So you get views, total earnings, referral earnings. There is a referral program with this, so you can make an additional amount of money. For instance, if you sign up someone, I do believe you get 20% of whoever gets on there. So that's an additional thing that you should take advantage of. Yeah, you get 20%. So this is a brand new account that I just got set up for this example. The next site that you want to open up is a website and get on here for free. Is called Biofm. And what Biofm is basically a landing page for your links that you will create over in shrinkme.io. And so you can select what you want to share from loads of different options, and then import or add your own content. You can reorder and customize your blocks. Simply use your mouse to add, delete, edit, and move the blocks around, and share your link with anyone you want. So some of the things you can do with Biofm is share Instagram photos, and it's easy. It takes a few minutes, and hey, it's absolutely free to use. So instead of just taking your link from Shrink Me and try to put that link onto Facebook, good luck. It could get you banned because it goes against their terms of service. They don't like using link shorteners, but you can use Biofm. Haha. So that's the workaround on that. So what type of content can you use? Well, you can use anything. You could use, if you have videos on YouTube, you can take those video links and put them in the shrinkme.io and use Biofm, and then go ahead and market that onto Facebook. And anytime someone clicks on that link, you can get paid. The only problem with this is that it is paid per 1,000 views, because the thing is the link shorteners, I guess, will show a brief advertisement, and that is how they make money. That is how you make money, so the cost is shared. So one thing that you can do is to, it really depends what niche you're in. For instance, I could be in the health and fitness niche, and there's an article here about COVID-19 that has been fact-checked. So you can use some of this information here and then go over and spin the article, okay, and then make it yours, copy it, and then put it up on Google Docs and make a document about COVID-19. Now, it is not basically, going through a whole bunch of copywriting lawsuit nightmare, and because any articles that you'll find over here, for instance, what's on Healthline, is copyrighted, and we want to avoid that. So you could take a portion of this, go over here, and then spin it, and then rewrite it if need be. Okay, because sometimes I've used SpinBot before, and sometimes it looks like a great big blob of mishmash. So you want to rewrite it to make it yours. All right, so you don't have any copyright infringement stuff going on. So what you do is you go back to shrinkme.io with the link from you can get from Google Docs, okay? And it's very simple. There's a file menu, and you go down and you hit save, and then there's some choices of how you want to share that, and you can get a link. And you take that link and you put it over here to shrinkme.io, and you can manage links. I don't have any right now, but you can get out of the back office, or you just click in new shorten link and you put your link here. All right, I would make an alias so you know what the link is or where it goes to, and then you hit shorten. Then you take that, okay, you take that new link and you place it in this. All right, and then you can go ahead and you can market it to your heart's content anywhere you want. And that's a good way of getting some traffic to that link. It's free to use. So I know this may be a little bit complex for some. If you have to, go ahead, stop the video, go back and go through all of that, and see if this is something that you can use. One place that you can market, which is getting a lot of good hits, is to create a new Instagram page with that information, some pictures, and you can develop an Instagram page by liking other people's content, and the likelihood is that they will come back and like your content, etc., etc., and put your Biofm link in your description so it comes up. Again, I'm not going to show you my Instagram account, because basically there's nothing on there that is coherent with this right now, but you can go ahead and put that Biofm link on there. Another thing that, and here's the bonus time. Now, what you can also do is to take the shrinkme.io information from your referrals and add it to the bottom or the top of your article. All right? Add it to the top or bottom of your article. You can also use these banners as well. And then you can get, anytime someone signs up underneath you and starts getting traffic to their links, you can earn 20% of their earnings for life. How cool is that? So this is just a strategy. It's not guaranteed to work, but it's just a strategy that I came across that was shared to me, and I thought, wow, that's that's kind of cool. But the most important thing to get out of this is don't just copy someone's information and plop it on there without making it your own. Okay, this little automation website at Spinbot can help you with that, but you need to work it out. So, like, fevers are commonplace. Okay, the stage of the virus inside the frame really rises higher than, you see what I mean? Formerly seen in the course of the pandemic, and extra people are getting seriously ill inside 3 or 4 days. So it just substitute synonyms or other words that mean the same thing. But you really have to make it so it flows better, but it's not the same as the original article. Okay? Because you can get into big time trouble if you just copy someone else's work, especially if you don't put some sort of annotation in where you got that information from, along with the link to where it is. So that's super important. So if you like this information, great, give this a thumbs up. I do appreciate you watching this. Please subscribe to my channel for more ways on how to make money online, and make money now, and have a great day.